What's up, Brad? How you doing, DZ? DZ's number one today. Welcome in, welcome in. Brad retired? Yeah, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that. Feeling like I bought round trip tickets when I only wanted to go one way. Yeah, I feel that. I feel that. Oh, man. It's funny because the market makers have been playing some interesting games with these prices. It's interesting to watch. It's really interesting. You like to request Bonk, Ondo, and Degen. Alright, we'll check them out. Of course, we're going to do the normal thing. We're going to go ahead and cover a little bit of news. The crypto we are going to be looking at today is going to be Bitcoin, Maker, BNX, Sol, ETH, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, ADA, HBAR, Floki, Link, Algo, and BNB. So if you don't hear your crypto there, feel free to request. Oh man, I'm trying to clock out early tonight, guys. I'm trying to clock out early. I'm actually like really tired, and I don't really understand why. Today's just one of those days. Who knows? Maybe I need to put in a little workout before I go to bed, and I'll wake up feeling refreshed. But yeah. Anyways, let's dive into this. So it looks like the first Solana ETFs are now registered on the DTCC platform. Brad, you want Trump? Alright, we will put down some Trump. Actually, you know what? I think I know exactly why I'm tired. It's because me and my wife, yesterday, we went and checked out daycares for my daughter. And, yeah, they really are trying to charge an arm and a leg. I was sitting there, I was like, lady, is my child about to run my business and do my taxes? Because you're really asking for, like, over $2,100 a month. That's insane. But whatever. Anyways, so Bitcoin's fear and greed index, we are in extreme fear, and the current price is at 84,119. So bullish sentiment. We haven't been in this extreme fear since we were in, like, I don't know, the 40,000s. So the fact that we're double in price and in this extreme fear, that's kind of a bullish indicator. But maybe people are fearful because they're smarter. Who knows? Who knows? Anyways, Nvidia came in, Q4 revenue came in 2.7% higher than expected with $39.3 billion. Like, that is just dumb money. That's in their profits. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. So, good for them. They did well. Maybe they saved the stock market. Personally, I don't think they saved the crypto market, but I think they saved the stock market. Really interesting thing here. The FBI released a public service announcement saying North Korea really did do the hack on Bybit. So that's pretty cool. They confirmed it. So everybody who thought it was an insider, they're like, nah, bro, North Korea really did that. So that's kind of cool. Porky, do you have in-laws to help out? I'm curious how couples have kids then have to pick up the kids from school. Like, how are you supposed to do that if you have a 9 to 5? So, we do have in-laws that help. Mainly my mom helps out a lot. But, no, actually, thanks to the way my job is, being a personal trainer, I have a ton of flexibility. So we're kind of lucky in that aspect. Damn, North Korea. Yeah, right, Melanie? Freaking right. But yeah, so I can pick up the kids all the time. I can take care of them throughout the day. I can also just take them to the gym. It's no real big deal. But daycare, it goes from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m., which also I'm kind of like, damn, that's a long time to not be with my child. That's kind of insane. You'll get to know your teachers better than me? I don't like that. I don't like that. So either way, we're looking at sending our daughter there maybe like twice a week, maybe 3 times, just to get her the interaction with the kids and whatnot. But yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Anyways, Grayscale. Today marks the 4th anniversary of the Link Trust. Keep that in mind. 4 years straight, Grayscale has been accumulating Link. If you ever hear an ETF is coming out of Link, expect the sell pressure for Link. All right, it's all because of grayscale here. Yo, what's up, Woozy? How you doing? Welcome in. Hopefully you didn't huff too much propane today. Let's see. Trump administration is basically saying, hey, the XRP and SEC, they're gonna basically say bygones are bygones and say the thing is over. So that's kind of cool. Glad Nvidia's earnings were good. HNST had good earnings today as well. I don't even know what HNST is. I feel like I'm out of the loop when it comes to stocks, honestly. I need to do way more research. The problem is, crypto research literally will take up my entire day. It's kind of nuts, but yeah. Ondo is now partnering up with MasterCard to tokenize real-world assets. That's kind of interesting. The SEC wants to drop another case against Gemini. Great. Fidelity, ARK, and Grayscale, as well as BlackRock, they were selling off a massive amount of Bitcoin past couple days. Now Bank of America, they want to create a stable coin. So that's interesting. I don't know why. I mean, you're a bank. They practically print money already. But hey, now they need stable coins. Because you know what? What better than having more money? Okay? I guess. Slow day today. I would have been home by noon, but they wanted me to stay to clock in hours. Hey, make that paycheck. Make that paycheck. The Honest Company. Melanie, are there such things? Are there such things as honest companies? This is a genuine question. Are there real honest companies? So I'll tell you what, my company, we dodge taxes left and right. I'll tell you what. Anyways, U.S. House Tax Committee moves forward to overturn crypto IRS rule. Custodial brokers to collect and report user data to the IRS. Thank goodness. Because we don't want the IRS in our pockets. And in this case, in our shorts. Like, what are we doing here? IRS, get out of here. No, my friend. No, there's not. Exactly. Two? Thank you. AVAX is partnering up with Visa. They want to create a nice little crypto card. You can use AVAX, USDT, or USDC. So that's kind of cool. Making it to where we can get away from banks. Thank goodness. This is also going to give them a really good use case. So, once again, I do think AVAX is completely underrated. But hey, here we are. We're just waiting. Just waiting for them to go mainstream. As of yesterday, the Bitcoin ETF sold off $938 million worth of their Bitcoin. So that helped out with a lot of sell pressure yesterday. And of course, in the morning, they did help out with selling a lot more. Last piece of news I did want to cover is XRP holders. You got a little competition. Looks like HBAR is now trying to partner up with Swift to help them become faster, more efficient, and cheaper. So, yeah. HBAR out here, really trying to take XRP's business. Really trying to steal it. So, I'm interested to see the battle. I'm very interested. And then, of course, a little Elon news here. More tax dollars saved. Why was American taxpayers' money sent to WEF if the wealthy whatever in Switzerland, I don't even know what this boondoggle, whatever that is. So yeah, why was tax dollars going there? That is a good question. Anyways, that's the news. Let's get into some of the TA. So just a reminder of the tokens we're going to be looking at today. We are going to be looking at Bitcoin, Maker, BNX, Sol, Ethereum, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, ADA, HBAR, Floki, Link, Algorand, and BNB. If your token is not on this list, drop it in the comments. Let's start getting through this stuff. Let's get these gains because they're about to be everywhere as we continue our descent. All right. What's up, Blake Smith? How you doing? Good evening. Good evening. Also, for those of you who are interested, our partners over at Buy DeFi have elected to put me into the copy trading world, and so you can actually follow my trades on Buy DeFi, at least the ones that I get into on that account. And currently we are shorting Maker. We are currently shorting Maker. I'm also personally shorting Maker, so there's that. Anyways, let's go ahead and look at Bitcoin here. Let's look at what these freaking jerks have been doing to us recently. And yeah, you guys are going to notice a real pattern here. These people. Normally the retracements to the upside are not this high. So it did throw off a lot of my trades, but hey, it took me a minute to figure it out. All right. So on the let's check out the daily. So on the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we are oversold. We have not been this oversold in a very long time, ever since August 23rd. Wait, no, August 19th of 2023. What was the price back then? Well, it was a bit lower. It was a bit lower. We were hanging out at $25,000. So the amount of oversold we are, this technically is an extremely bullish indicator, but understand what we are looking at. This is a technical breakdown. So odds of us going back up are a lot lower than odds of us going down, which is a lot higher. So keep that in mind. Let me move this over here. Don't want it there. Put this here and bring this over here. Alrighty. So right now, I was looking at this recently, looking for this 80,995 to play out. Didn't, but also still waiting for 81,628. Still waiting for that. But for Bitcoin, we lost that 87,356 level. At this point in time, what would be really nice, get a formal backtest. If we get a formal backtest of that level, then at least we can strategize a stop loss, because we can short this thing into oblivion, at least probably down to as low as 71,000. This is a very big deal that we lost this level and have a daily candle close below it. Yes, we are still slightly above our 200 daily moving average, but understand we are hanging on by a thread here. Hanging on by a thread. The main reason I think why prices are going down so rapidly is because the economic data we're getting, it's basically showing not only is the economy bad, but it's been bad for far longer than the Fed wanted to let on, which then is making it to where all of Wall Street's like, oh shit, have we been in a recession this whole time? Duh. But anyways, I digress. So, since we are oversold, CCI indicators basically saying like we can only be so oversold, but you know, not very accurate on the daily. But we would be looking for a bounce. Technically looking for a bounce. However, I have this strong possibility the short sellers are going to try and short this thing into the depths of hell. Thank you, boo. What? What do you do now?
He's throwing stuff at his head. And then we're sitting here like, do you want... Why, I'm wondering why I just throwing stuff.
Okay.
Wait, do you want me to throw stuff at your head?
I get it. Oh, my nephew wants to get beat up. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. What a joy it is being a parent. What's up, Aquata? How you doing today? Jiminy Christmas. Swear, that boy. Gonna beat him. Alright, so, anyways, this is what I'm seeing out of Bitcoin. On the daily, we are oversold. We're looking for a bounce, honestly. And considering we're about to start a new month, maybe the bounce comes this weekend. Just maybe. Looking at our 4 hour, do we have it? We have technical bullish divergence. So, technical bullish divergence, which is nice. Now we're going to be looking for a higher low. But, we're already starting to sell. Looking at our 1 hour time frame, 1 hour gave us some room to sell. Damn. That's pretty rough. But, yeah. So, if we were to sell off into the night here, we would be looking at it kind of like, actually, let's see how high this thing can go. So this is one thing we do have to pay attention to, how high Bitcoin could go. And yeah, this is where it's been really interesting on the altcoins. Yo, what's up, Rave? How you doing? On the altcoins, it's been interesting because we haven't been getting the normal 618 retracements. So it's like, oh, Bitcoin can go up another 2% or something. We've been getting 886s. So technically speaking, Bitcoin, if it decided to go up, Maker starting to come down a little. Yes, it is. So if it's deciding it wants to retrace, we could see a 4.35% move to the upside. And that's if it decides to retrace, and we could be getting that 886 level. Noted that would be a lower high, and I would be expecting to see some form of bearish something, whether it be hidden bearish divergence or something like it. So that would be a continuation to the downside indicator there. Now, if we got a real bounce, which that's what I'm looking for the month of March, a real bounce, we would be looking at this kind of like this, where we would end up making a move. Let's get rid of that. We would be making a move all the way up, possibly 12 to 14%. That's what I think could be coming for March. That is my personal opinion. Just a nice retrace, get that 886, stop out all the shorts, wreck them completely, and then it's like a false break back up, then we roll on over and continue down. That's my thought, but we'll see what happens. It doesn't have to happen. It's a theory, a running theory. And that would also be a formal back test of the 50 and 100 simple moving averages. It makes sense in my head. In it for the biscuit too. Nice. But that's what makes sense in my head. Anyways, let's also check out BTC1. Yeah, there it is. CME futures. So this is an interesting thing here. On your daily, you have a gap. So let's mark out our gaps here. So this is actually going to be kind of important. Kind of important. We're gonna pay attention to these gaps real quick, because gaps do matter. We got a gap right there, and then we have this gap sitting right down here. So the gap looks like it might want to fill. Pay attention to those gaps. They're kind of a big deal. So don't be surprised if we end up seeing price come all the way down to 77,735. Don't get surprised out here, because we do have a gap sitting right there that we don't want to F up. So as long as we can maintain in that gap and then catch a nice strong bounce, we should fill this gap as well. So yeah, those are some things that you should probably keep on the radar, keep in the back of your head, that things could be happening a little differently. Why does the CME futures get, like, SMAs look so much different? What the? That's kind of crazy. So we didn't even test the 200 on the CME futures. The 200 sitting down here at 76,570. That's crazy. You capitulated on spot. I'm sticking to scalps. Really feel like this cycle is only for scalping. Swing traders and spot holding ruined me while my day trading account is up. That's kind of wild, because you should always have, like, bags that you're holding. Should always have that, so then you know how much you should be putting into trades, because trading is meant to be hedging against your long-term holdings. But you do you, Rave. I never give financial advice, so I can't wait to see how it pans out for you, brother. I can't wait. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into our liquidation heat map, checking out the corn. Oh my god. On the 24-hour, no one's going long. They just took out a batch of longs right over here today. That was $83 million. Oh my god. Oh no, $56 million. Oh my god. We got some longs popping up now. 23 and 11 million. Oh boy. They got to push the price up to 87,936 in order to liquidate some shorts. That is crazy. Let's check out your weekly. There's no more longs. Wow. That's kind of amazing. I've never seen that. Wow. All you got is this little node here of 23 million and this one of 11 million. That is crazy. So you guys can see that. All these longs got wrecked. I've got a couple of long-term bags, but midterm, I've lost all faith. Dang, Ray, that's rough. That's rough. It's rough. It's probably the best time to buy if that's what you're saying. Dang, bro. That's crazy. All right, so that's what we're seeing out of Bitcoin right now. Let's go ahead and check out one of the trades I'm in, as well as all of my copy traders are in, and that is Maker. MKR. Maker. So, what am I seeing here? Well, on your daily time frame. Noted this thing's painted up like crazy because, well, I'm trading it. Anyways, this is what it looks like. On your daily, relative strength, you have bearish divergence. You also have a weekly level of resistance that you are touching, and on your daily, this happens to be pretty much a straight line with no pullbacks. So this is why I got into this trade. We have found resistance at this level at 1,674 for 2 days. I would say, yeah, 2 days so far, and it looks like today is about to be the third day. All right. Yo, what's up, Nanya? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. So, this is what I'm seeing right here. Let's go into our lower time frame so you can see a little bit closer why I got into this trade. Looking at the 4 hour, we've had bearish divergence like crazy. I mean, the bearish divergence got absolutely insane. So, you can see it's just falling off a cliff. At this point, I think we can short anything. Oh, man. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? Maybe. But, you know, there were a couple things that were popping off like crazy yesterday. As well as today. Carve was up like 45% when I saw it. I was like, what the heck is that? Probably just oversold bounce. But you can see the bearish divergence started back here on the 20th. So for 6 days straight, this thing has been overheated, and now we not only made the third higher high and lower relative strength to create that rule of 3 here, triple bearish divergence, you made a low, and now we're looking at what I've noticed, and really pissed me off because I saw it this morning, is that 886 retracement. It literally came straight down, hit your low, retraced 88.6% to the upside. And now you're starting to see the sell pressure. First target I'm looking at is 14.8% downside. Common 50% retrace, 24% downside. This is why I entered this trade. This is why we're sitting in it. Currently on this trade, for my personal trade, I'm up 41% because I went 30x. I'm revenge trading out here. On the copy trade, I think we're down a little bit because I got in earlier because noted it's only a 10x. But we are down 8% on the copy trade. No big deal. I do believe this is going to start getting some gains. So yeah, I'm looking for a lot of downside here. Those 886s, man, normally it doesn't do that. Sup, Porky? If there's time, can we look at TIA? Sure, 000. I got you. TIAM. Got you covered. Then you want TIA? Oh, just TIA. Got it. Got you on TIA. Got you on TIA. So that is the first trade I'm sitting in, and hopefully we do actually hold resistance. That would be great, but right now we're catching bids for one reason or another. Maker has been awfully strong recently. It's been quite annoying. The other trade I'm currently in is BNX. So BNX right now, I mean, straight up for this one to stop me out, you're going to have to go make all-time highs. So, weekly level of resistance sitting right here. You've only been up above this so many times, But now we have put in a significantly higher relative strength with lower price. Hidden bearish divergence. Fubo, please. All right, Jamie, got you on Fubo. Got you on Fubo. Hit the like, all please. Hit the like. Cover up those likes, y'all. Cover up those likes. Can I please do Iotics? Sure, Scott. Sure. Got you covered. All right, so then naturally I decided to look at this thing a little bit deeper, and I was like, oh, would you look at that? We got bearish divergence on the daily. Absolutely great. Then we got that confirmed test at resistance right here. She got 1 and 2. Feels a little double toppy, so I'm looking for tons of downside. I'm not going to take this for all it's worth. I'm just going to look for that 33% downside. That's all I want. No big deal. Just a 33% downside. But if we go into this goddamn 15-minute, I swear, you can see from high to low, back to high. Guess fucking what? Here's the high, here's the 886. Are we serious? Usually we don't get these 886 retracements to the upside. Normally a 786 is as high as we go, and or even just a 618, because it's a bearish trend. But instead, we're getting these super high retracements. It's stopping out so many shorts, and they're just stealing the money afterwards. It is insane. But here we are. Anyways, it's going to the downside. Currently, I am up 78%. I'm only on a 15x, I believe. Where does it say? I don't even know where it says. Oh, here it is. 15x short on BNX. And yeah, we're doing all right. We're doing all right so far. Looks like Maker is getting super strong again. Like, what the hell is this? What the hell? Crazy. We were just up. Now we're down. Started from the bottom. Now we're here. Insane. If I get stopped out, I'm going to be pissed. Have you heard of Story? Nope. Haven't heard of it. All right. So, moving right along. We got Solana next. Sol. I'm pretty sure it's going for my stop loss. That is crazy. This is insane. Maker, most powerful crypto in all the lands. Bearish divergences for who? I guess. I don't know. I don't know. That thing stops me out. I'm actually going to be angry. It's just going. Sorry, that's kind of derailing my thought process here. I don't understand how it's so strong. What the fuck? What are we doing? Yo, what's up, Zeph? How you doing? God, these buyers, they're nuts. Why are they so hard up for Maker? That's crazy, dude. Anyways, now looking at Sol. 886. Are we serious? Sol's set up for a short too? Oh my god. Alright, so Solana on the 15-minute, it does look like we're about to see more downside. I hate to say it, and it does look like we have hidden bearish divergence. Are we fucking serious? Oh my god. That's nuts. That's actually nuts. This sell pressure on Solana, I feel like it's a little excessive. I feel like it's a little excessive. Holy crap. That is nutty. That is actually nutty. I'm looking just for the 1272 to play out. Go find some support at 127. Dang, bro. Dang, bro. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. But looking at the 1 hour, a bearish back test of your 50 simple, that's going to hold you down? Are we sure? You're sure? That's okay. Okay. Based off your 15-minute, you're going to see a little bit lower prices. So possible 6.78% to the downside. That is your bearish case right now. That is all I'm going off of. That is nuts. That is absolutely nuts. On a bullish case scenario, because we have bullish divergence on the 1 hour, bullish div. We could see a bit of upside. Maybe we actually go for... Wait. Whoa. Didn't even get the low in. Okay. Maybe we go for a nice bearish 5-0 or a 6-1-8. Just maybe we get a little bit lucky and we see a 17% move to the upside. This is what I see out of Solana right now. And of course, since I'm so damn bearish, I think we're going to see that 6.78% give us a triple bullish divergence and then try to make a move to the upside. But we'll see. Sol going to 110, I think. Aquata, it could. It really could. But I'm just going to play with the support we have right here. I'm not even going to think about all that negativity just yet. I've been so negative for the past couple months. I don't know if you've been here. But I've been consistent as shit. Being bearish as fuck. And then suddenly it gets bearish. Everybody's like, where'd this come from? Yeah. Anyways, moving along, we got ETH. Yeah, my favorite is just hearing the amount of people who just say, it's just market manipulation. Stop it. You stop it. We saw this shit coming for months. What do you mean? I bet you think girls at the strip club like you. Like, golly. What? Oh, man. We got our 618 retracement. So Ethereum has all possibilities on this planet to go down to $2,081. You do have bullish divergence on the 1 hour, though. We have hopium. Do you expect bullish by mid-March or end of March? I'm still bullish for March for now. The only reason I'm bullish for March is because how low these altcoins are. That is the only reason I'm bullish for March. I can save her! Exactly. Everybody's like, she really is going to nursing school. Like, man. Here's your current downtrend. It's so nice for short. It's so nice for shorting. It just, goodness gracious. Oh, beautiful 9.7% downside could be coming. Let's hope the bullish divergence plays out instead. Let's hope for that. Let's hope for bullish div. Because if the bullish divergence does play out, because noted, this is slowing down, we could see a nice little move back up to bearishly backtest 2,500. Outside of that, I can't see much else that's bullish. I really can't. Tell me about March. I just joined. Most of crypto, 100% retraced. Most of it. So I'm very bullish for March. I'm thinking new month, new price action. Maybe, just maybe, some of these wealthy billionaires are going to be like, hey, let's buy some trash. Let's get people thinking that meme coins are actually worth something again. It's going to be fully manipulated, but I do think prices will go up. Just make sure you pay attention to those 886s. Porks, what happened to Cass? Can you please check? It fell off, man. Fell off. I'm gonna blame the miners. They're selling. We'll check it out for you. I got you. So, Ethereum, hopium, copium. We're going for the gusto. We're gonna hope and pray that we get. Oh my god! It actually lines up almost perfect. It lines up perfect. Oh god. Meme. Renaissance. Yeah, right? Oh man. So yeah, we could see a 14% move up, but noted, you're still consolidating here. If you do get a break, you're looking for a back test. Maybe you go up and get that bearish back test. This is your copium for Ethereum. It is all coping. None of it is real. In reality, 1930 is very real. And hopefully you hold it. 1930. That's really what we're looking for. Damn, son. Brought to you by billionaires, right? The meme hopium is brought to you by billionaires. Well, it's because, like, if they're drunk sitting at home in their basement, sad because they have no friends because everybody just wants their money, yeah, they're probably going to start playing around with some meme coins, you know? Like, just think like a billionaire. Think like a billionaire. They're like, I already talked all my shit on X. I don't need to make more money. I'll just play with some meme coins. Share the wealth. Can we look at SPA? I remember when I got Maker at 500 and sold 2,500 to 7. Wait. And sold it when it hit 2,500. The 7K I'm mad from Maker went all to my dogs. Hospital bill, but I love my dogs. You must really love your dogs if you paid that much to save them. That you're a good person. You're a good person. Yeah. If my dog has to get like a kidney or a liver replacement, it's a really sad time. Because noted, I don't expect anybody to give me a liver. Put me down. It's my time. It's my time. All right, let's go ahead and check out SPA. We will check that out for you. BTC still to 77K. Yeah, there's a CME future gap down there. That's since I looked at the CME futures, I was like, oh, that's why everybody's saying that number. That's crazy. So yeah, we're probably going to fill that. But the nice thing about it, it looks like they want to fill that by the end of this month. If they do that by Friday, first off, our altcoins, they're going to get devastated. They're going to look like shit. They're going to look terrible. However, these shorts about to print. We got 2 days till the end of the month, baby. So yeah, it could be nice. Or they're going to wait until Sunday, which will be even worse. But that's just my opinion. Alrighty, now let's go ahead and check out the daily on this one on Litecoin. Litecoin is honestly like on steroids. I don't understand how it's trying to do this, but problem I'm having here, you have a double top situation now. A high, second high. Now this is a lower high, and we have relative strength falling off. It's not a really good look. It's not a good look. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's see if we got some hope. No, we don't. No, we do not. Bearish divergence, lower high. So Litecoin might be heading down. Just might. So that's too bad because this was the most hope we ever had. Let's go ahead and see from high to low. Where did we wick out at? The 886. You guys are starting to see this pattern, right? You're seeing this pattern live on stream, the 886 and how important it is. Stupid. So mad. So mad. So, yeah, I'm a little bit bearish. Because we have a nice, brand new, fresh downtrend. The problem with this downtrend right here, though, y'all are about to see this crazy nonsense. Leg 1. We're looking for leg 2. I trade leg 2 all the damn time. Leg 2 prints, baby. We're looking for 29% downside on Litecoin. It is set up perfect, ready to go. Stop loss right above these highs at 129.28. Fuck it, ride it into the sunset. This thing is ready to dump. Hopefully we hold support instead and we get a break to the upside. It's just, fuck, man. 29% downside. I know you don't really give price predictions, but you give prediction to treble. I guess we'll look at it. I don't know what the project is, but we'll look at it. You know, it's crazy. The average cost of electricity to mine one LTC is $875. What? That is insane. That is insane. Why would anyone mine it? That is insane. Oh my god. That's great. I didn't know that. I did not know that. So yeah, if anyone's looking for a short, this, Maker, and BNX look like the best ones right now. That's unfortunate. And then if you look at your... Then if you look at your 4 hour... Oh my god. Look at this shit. Look at that shit. That excessive amount of buying pressure to make a lower high. Not looking good. That's not very light at all. That's pretty funny. Oh, is it even worth the mine? No, it's not worth mining at that point. It's really not. And now it looks like it's about to dump. It's even worse. right, XRP with some newfound competition. What is it going to do? I believe 58 cents. I believe 58 cents. I know y'all hate me for saying it. I'm going to keep saying it loud. 58 cents, baby. We're looking at 58 cent XRP once again. Woo! Where's that guy who's talking about $5? Where's that guy at? Why has he never come back to the stream? Where'd he go? Where'd he go? Motherfucker. Oh boy. For real, Woozy, right? Treble is the Uniswap of base. Oh, okay. We'll just compare it to Uniswap then. Compare the market caps and the supply, and there you go. Can you please make a video how to use buy DeFi to set up shorts? They're a setup step by step. I mean, I could try. I don't think it's that hard. And I'm gonna buy a shitload at 58 cents. Alright, Jamie, you do that. You do that, brother. Hey, as long as you have conviction, that's fine. It's fine. Can't wait for 58 cents on XRP. I'll buy 1 XRP at that price. I will buy 0. I will buy 0. I am never gonna buy XRP. XRP army, they were striking like crazy. I saw a TikTok today where somebody was like, what would you rather buy, Bitcoin or XRP? And they said XRP. I was like, no. I would love XRP at 58 cents. Load up those bags. No, Melanie, we're going to convert you to hating XRP. We're going to convert you. You will be the latest and greatest XRP hater. It's going to be fantastic. Everybody else like, learn to love XRP. I'm like, no, bring on the hate. Haters unite. Oh, man. So XRP right now, we made that bearish 5-0. We could roll over, heading toward 173 to 155 if the sell pressure continues. We got an oh, wait. We had some bullish divergence. We popped up. We're making a higher low. So I guess we got to bring in a bullish case. I would say we'd go up and test. Actually, hold on. Bullish case scenario, I would be looking for XRP to do something really shitty to stop out a lot of shorts. And that would be to do something kind of like this, getting up 25%. Remember, still super bearish at 25%. But that would be a great way to screw over the traders. That would be a great way. What coins do you hold long term? Oh my god. I hold a lot of them. Altcoin, I hold a lot of them. Honestly, it's a lot. Let's just say I have XRP, no, not XRP, XLM instead of XRP. Let's say that. You want Toshi, Eric? I got you. Thank you so much for the $1.99 super chat. Aquata. Yeah, if XRP Army was right, man, 1 XRP would do wonders. Alright, Toshi is on the list. Anyways, that's XRP. Let's go ahead and check out. That's the bullish case. Bearish case scenario, 58 cents. Just give it time. Give it time. It'll get there. Alright, XLM is next. I can just click on it here. Oh, man. Lost support. Bullish case scenario, bearish backtest. I mean, kind of easy, cut and dry to see that. That's your bullish case, but you're already rolling over. Bearish case scenario, 22 to 14 cents. Not much to go over here. XRP to 10K, right? No, not at all. Not at all. Never. You'll never see those numbers. Now they have H-bar to compete with. I hold H-bar. I do hold H-bar. So, you know, good luck. Oh, man. Yeah, Altcoin Academy. I hold Solana. I hold AVAX. I hold Bitcoin. I have some Ethereum still, which that kind of surprised me. I didn't think I was still holding Ethereum. I have XLM. I have some Algorand, some ADA, some DOT, which the DOT kind of caught me off guard too. I have a lot of Kava. I have a lot of Kava. Um, I have a lot of AVAX. I have a decent amount of Sonic. I have GFI, Goldfinch, Landshare. I grabbed a little bit of Ondo. I'm waiting for Ondo to get down to 79 cents to buy more. I'm holding this coin called City and another one. I have some Blur. I have some ACH. I have. What else? I have some Rats token. Um, I have some Chainlink. I have some Atom. I actually hold some BNB too because I thought the meme season was gonna come back on the Binance Smart Chain. I hold a lot of layer one. I'm accumulating Blast now. That's my latest one. I'm accumulating Blast. That's a layer one. I hold a lot of them. Like I hold a lot of coins. I just don't pay attention to them all, and occasionally I'll peek into their chart and I'll just be like, "Ooh, looks terrible," and then I'll run away from it. So until our economy gets better and I can get like some random idiots from high school, bro, are you buying dog wiping his ass coin? It's gonna change your life. Then I don't even worry about looking at them. Yeah, sometimes I'll just be like, oh, like gaming industry. I haven't looked at them in a while. I hold a lot of YGG, a lot of Gala, a lot of Sand. I still haven't bought Prime. Still haven't bought that. I meant to. I just didn't. I forgot. But yeah, I hold a lot of different tokens. So anytime anybody asks, like, oh, what are you holding? Stuff. But by far, biggest holding is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the biggest holding. So every time things go down, I don't actually care that much. Just because it's like a huge crash out of Bitcoin is 30%. I'll survive. That's fine. You know what surprised me is Pi Coin being $2.81. Coin. Yeah, that's surprising, actually. If Pi coins weren't locked for 3 years, it would have cashed out with 3,600. Not bad for clicking a button every other day for the past 5 years. That's crazy. That's a long time. That is a very long time to click a button. ADA Cardano, we have a double bottom on the 1 hour. That's surprising. I would be looking for 56, even 46 cents for ADA right now. Let's look at it on the daily real quick. So daily time frame, we're trying to we just lost the 200 daily moving average, and it looks like we're trying to bearishly backtest it. So that's kind of too bad. Based off this low here, which is our low on the relative strength, we're putting in bullish divergence already. So it could catch a bounce and try to make another move up to 78 cents. I would expect that to be as major resistance as it starts heading back down. Remember, after you broke out of this level at 36 cents, not a back test in sight. So Charles Hoskinson's son, go ahead and pay attention to him, because he might be ripping his hair out soon, or whatever's left of it. He needs to stop wearing hats. But yeah, 36 cents is a very strong possibility. 46 cents also. Good possibility here. So ADA, not looking strong. H-bar, after the great announcement that they're going to be working with the enemy, it's hanging on to a supply line. Still hanging on to it. I'm actually impressed. But you'd look so much better down at 7 cents. You'd look so much better. So we're going to see what it does, but I'm not very bullish on anything right now, mainly because it does look like Bitcoin has more downside. We just got an oversold bounce. That's really all we got. So it's just a matter of time before this thing rolls over. Just a matter of time. Let's go into our 1 hour real quick. Let's see if that's coming sooner. Wow, what a level of resistance right here at 2015. That is an amazing level of resistance. That is interesting. I'm expecting a spike up. Just because the market makers are dickheads. So, bullish case scenario right now for H bar, I'd be looking for that 886 going up 11%. That would screw over every short possible. And then to watch it roll over after would be sweet justice. And it's like, that would never happen. What do you mean? Well, what does this look like right here? You started to see more of a downtrend. It shot back up, breaking above both of these highs. And would you look at that bullshit? It hit the 886. Yo, what's up? How you doing? Fama. Fama? Foma? No, Fama. Famo. I'm gonna call you FOMO. That's what we're gonna go with. FOMO, how you doing? Welcome in. I tried real hard. I got you on ACH and SKL. I got you. So yeah, just looking back at this right here, these shady little fucks, they're like, hey, we're going to put in a lower low, and then we'll touch the 886. Look how it lines up perfectly before seeing devastation. Like, yeah. So now I'm thinking you might see that 11% rise randomly before it just flushes down. Just a thought, just my pessimism. Sorry, I'm rubbing off on you guys. But yeah, that's what I'm looking at, because that is your 886, and they've been doing this non-stop. Those dickheads. Let's go ahead and take a look at Maker real quick. We are not dying anymore. We will not go silently into the night. Let's go! Independence Day, baby. We are up 68% on BNX as well. Gosh, turning into a great time to short. Anyways, moving along from H-bar, we got Floki. Floki is doing the worst thing possible. Floki is doing the worst thing possible, and that is losing its local level of support on the daily. Yikes. So, Floki, if you can get that bearish backtest, that'd be fantastic, because now we can decipher if we're going to go short and get this 53% gain. There's nothing to support you here. Nothing at all. I'll see you down at 4062 eventually. But hot damn. Let's see if we can get into it sooner than later. Hold on. Let's get this 4 hour oversold bounce, catching a higher low. Okay. I'm gonna set an alert on this bitch. Actually, I want to know about it right here. This is where I want to know about it. You've been saying that for the last 2 months. Jamie, it's working on it. Alright? It's in the works. I don't have billionaire friends to tell them, sell faster. Okay? I don't know the market makers. I don't know them. But Jamie, it's interesting you mentioned I've been bearish for 2 months straight. Are all the other bigger YouTubers, have they been bearish for 2 months? Or am I special? I feel like I'm special. I feel special today. Don't you guys pop my bubble. I'm special. Even if it's special needs, I'm still special. Alright, we're checking out Link. Link has lost its demand line, or supply line. It has lost it, and it's bearishly backtesting it. Oh no. 938 is your target. 38% downside, 37% downside to find support. It's too bad. Too bad for Link. We'll see it go down. Alright, Algorand. Algo. It's almost there. Bit further. Come on, buddy. I'm looking for 14 cents, honestly. Most of them are saying the opposite. That makes me happy. Noted. Still bullish for March. I'm just not bullish for Friday. I am not bullish for Friday. No, I know a lot of the YouTubers, they like to say, oh, just buy the dip indiscriminately. I'm like, whoa, brother, homie. If they're not in it already, maybe they should wait. I made an entire video about areas in which I like to accumulate, and it's based off like trading, because I don't find value. Like when this thing popped off and went crazy, I didn't find value up here. I was like, if it breaks its downtrend, great. But if not, what's your origin? Indian? No, I'm half black, half white. I am nowhere exotic enough to claim that. I am mulatto. I am what I said in college, the test trial of black guys. That's what I was. I was like the free subscription to see if girls really did like black dudes. You know, Kava looks pretty stinger. What do you think? I will look it up. Just keep wasting your money. Just keep wasting your money. Dude, you're a zebra. No. Come on there. Okay. Kava. Kava's on the list. I got you, Scott. I got you. Alrighty, so... But are you saying wasting my money on what? Altcoins? I don't think it's a waste. I don't think it's a waste at all. Especially when my biggest holding is Bitcoin. I don't think it's a waste at all. Just like anything else in life, you hedge. Hedge, and diversify. If you're going to be in crypto, you might as well have a diverse crypto portfolio. If you're solely in one project, outside of Bitcoin, it's probably not going to be a good time. Probably not going to be a good time. But noted, I also buy some stocks. It's just, stocks aren't as interesting to me because I'll hold them for like 5 years. At a minimum. Like I hold them forever. If I can learn timing better, oh man. Oh boy. Algo lost its 200 daily moving average, and wow. Bearishly backtesting. Yeah, don't worry. I already have it in the queue. We're just finishing up with the ones I wanted to look at, and then we're going into all the requests. First one's going to be Toshi. Next is Bonk, Ondo, Degen, Trump, Tia, Phobo, Iotix, Cass, Spa, Terp, and then it's ACH and SKL. We'll get there. Be patient. Not you, the other YouTubers keep saying waste your money and buy the dips. That's fair. That's very fair. They do say that. They do. But noted, if you constantly just buy the dip, you can't be wrong. So I understand why they do it. But then again, I'm willing to be wrong. It's fine. I don't mind being wrong. At least I tried. And I learned from football. If you're going to try, you might as well fail 100%. Don't half-ass it. Fail at 100%. Give it your all the time. Alright, so let's go into the 1 hour here. No shot. Hold on. Are we in the zone? Are we there? Auto zone? Almost. We're almost there. Look at that. We're at the 618. It's going to give some hopium. Pop on up to that 886 at 2504. And then down. I am so bearish. Damn. Notice how this thing is marked out right there. So we could, oh my god, we could see a 42% drop out of Algo, maybe even down to 10 cents, which would be lower. That's crazy. That is insanity. But yeah, as soon as Algorand hits maybe it hits 14 and 30, that might be a good time to start DCAing right down there. Because noted, you're going to have time. You're going to have tons of time. A lot of people don't want to talk about how much time you have to accumulate. Because if you look at the weekly down here, first off, to get an 886 retracement, which would be the best opportunity at buying Algorand here, you're looking at something like this coming down, almost to where I'm marking it out. But you'd be looking for 1632. So anywhere between the 786, 886, great areas to start accumulating. So if it gets below 2141, great area to start buying in a lot. And I mean, like, go heavy, go ham. But understand also, you have this downtrend to work with. So until it breaks the downtrend, gets a formal backtest, you could be accumulating that entire time. And this thing could take forever. So it could literally come all the way down to this level at 14, whatever. Once it breaks out, it's probably going to hit that level again. So you're looking at a minimum until June. You can accumulate Algorand because of this downtrend. So it's like, oh, dollar cost average while you can. You got time, brother. Don't worry about that. You got plenty of time to accumulate. But everybody acts like, oh, buy now or you're going to lose your chance. What? Why would you say something like that? I don't understand. I just don't get it. Well, anyways, just a little food for thought. Just a little food for thought. So that's Algorand. We could be seeing 14, even as low as 10 cents. I don't know that the 10 cents is going to play out because we do have this level of resistance right here. I'm thinking 14. It'll be a nice formal back test. It could wick down there, touch it, and then start moving up. But that looks like a great spot to get in. That 886. It's a great place, great area, great time. It's like boomers for adults. All right. So now, last one, BNB. I haven't looked at BNB in months. So I actually do like seeing what it did. Wow, it came all the way down to 504. Holy shit! I didn't realize it did that. I had no idea. So if anybody wants to talk about like a token being a security, I'm gonna say BNB is a gosh darn security. They do corporate buybacks and everything. They are a security. Oh, they hit the 786 and they retraced. Uh-oh. You're in an official downtrend? Well, that's not good. That's really bad, actually. Not what you want right there. Not what you want on the daily. This could get real bad real quick. Damn, let's check your weekly real quick. I might have to take profit. Oh no. Oh no. Bearish div on the weekly too? Oh no. If you lose 504, 340. 340 is the target. You never oh shit. I'm going to probably take profit on my BNB holding. You never back tested. Oh god. Yeah, we could see BNB over time get down to $340. Holy crap. I didn't even realize that. Yeah, I'm probably going to be exiting my BNB holdings. I don't know who they pissed off, but looks like they're ready to sell on their asses. That is insane. You know, CZ's not running the ship anymore. Yikes. We'll see if they have enough Bitcoin to prop it up. I don't think they do. I don't think they got it. Anyways, let's go into the first request, which is Toshi. Just for you, Eric. Just for you. Well, we made the 17% downside. Great. Love to see it. Going into the 4 hour. You're gaining strength. It's a higher low, though. Higher low. It's a higher low. All right, your bullish case for Toshi. You could see this thing go up. All the way up. Let's just say you can get up to 70507. This is your bullish case. This is the best thing you could hope for. It would be a beautiful 32% run to the upside. Understand you have a demand line to fight against and a resistance to fight against. Do I think that's going to happen? No. No, I don't. I think what is much more likely to happen and over time for you to see another 48% downside. That is my guess. That is my opinion. That is not financial advice. But if you look at the daily here, you broke out. You tried to touch it once. Oh, wait. Did you touch it? Yeah, you touched it once. That's great. What's to stop you from back testing it? Nothing at all. Nothing at all. And it also lines up with your 200 daily moving average. Give it some time. It might get down there. But that is what you're looking at. Hopefully you hold support at 42296 and you catch a bounce, because that would be really nice. But I give it enough time. I think you're going to see that 26968 number. Give it some time. Hey man, glad to see you live. Could you do Doge? I mean, I can cover the chart. I'm not about that doing dog stuff, you know? Two new indicators. Hope it helps out. People better candle. What the fuck? Degen, Crypto, Porky, I think you would like this one. Fuck. I can't even read this. I don't even understand what you're writing here. So it's people BNFWT candle by that person and stochastic RSI with EMA by Degen. I don't like the stochastic. I don't really like the stochastic unless I'm doing some day trading on the 15-minute. I don't really like it. I guess I'll check them out. I'll write them down. Doge. Gotcha. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing out of Toshi. Bullish case scenario, go up 32%. Bearish case, see another 48% downside over time. What? Why, Maker? Why? Why are you doing this to me, bro? What are you doing? BNX. Why? Why are you bullish? I don't understand. Jess BNF. One day I'll be able to decipher your codes. One day. Alright, next we got Bonk. Bonk. Well, Bonk is pretty low, but you are on a very flimsy level of support. I would expect you to see a bit more downside, finding real weekly support from these lows back here, another 28% downside. You just got a death cross not too long ago, beautiful fall down, and you technically are trying to put in bullish divergence. Technically trying to do it. So let's give you a bullish case scenario. The bullish case. And noted, you're right at a level of resistance. You are right there. You're kissing it. You're making out with it. You're getting intimate. You're getting some mono. Wait, hold on. That went weird. Never mind. Bullish case scenario. Bonk gets a nice little run up, 19% to the upside. But I'm thinking this 996 level could be coming. And noted, this would have to happen by like Friday. So keep all of this in mind. It would have to happen by Friday. After that, we have no idea what Wall Street's going to want to do for the month of March. We have no clue. So all of this is contingent on Friday options expiration. That is it. And because we're expecting Bitcoin to fall pretty hard. So just keep that in mind. All right, moving on. We got Ondo. Ondizo. So Ondo, where you're trying your damnedest to hold support here. You're trying so much. Bullish case, I could see you getting back up to 108.66, but let's face it, 76.99 looking pretty damn attractive. Yeah. Maybe you catch that bounce though. Catch a nice little bounce, pop up here, get to that 108.66, utilize it as a formal bearish back test before seeing much more downside. You utilize it as a support once. To use it as a resistance is extremely common. So in your bullish case, maybe overnight, they decide to send this thing to the upside for, let's just say, 9%. Maybe. But then I'm still looking for 76.99, and noted it could get as low as 59.66. All of this has to happen by Friday. All of it by Friday, unless March is really bearish still. But I think we have an FOMC meeting in March. I'm sure everybody's going to be like, are they going to cut rates? Are they going to figure it out? I don't think our Fed's going to figure it out. I don't think so. Checking out Degen. Once again. Oh my god. It's holding support? What are we doing out here? This is crazy. You're not even oversold. You're below all your moving averages, so automatically 3165. That is my thought process here. 3165. But it looks like you're trying to catch some weird little bounce. I don't think it's going to do it. It could. I don't think it's going to. But it could. Hopium is there. Hopium is there. I'm not 1,000% bear. I'm not 1,000% bear. Just 98%. Trump. I found out on the copy trades I could copy trade Trump coin. I was like, oh shit, I could short it? That's crazy. Community people that are on the stream right now, I hope the indicator helps out. The people that are viewing this, yes, everybody, go check it out. Dude, did you hear Trump try and sell some gold cards? $5 million to get us out of debt? Yeah, I heard about that. I have mixed feelings on that, honestly. I got some mixed feelings. You gotta understand, all of it, you have to take the worst case scenario first. Like, to sell citizenship, you gotta take the worst case scenario first. And the worst case scenario I could think of is like, you know, the cartels are already known for sending their kids to like Ivy League schools and shit. Now all of a sudden you're gonna give them citizenship so they can buy houses here? I don't really like that. I don't like that. So I can see how it could help. Don't get me wrong. It's just I can also see how terrible it could be. And then also companies now can start creating slave labor. I'm like, damn. Because they can give out scholarships or like basically, hey, I'll pay for your citizenship if you come work for my company. You're going to be working for me for the next 15 years to pay off that citizenship. Like, damn, bro. So yeah, I automatically think of the worst case scenario and I'm like, people suck. I don't know if that's a good thing. Anyone who wants to buy my US citizenship, I'll give it to you for half off, 2.5 million. I'm not, oh my god. That's pretty funny. But yeah, so I have mixed feelings about it just because automatically I just thought, wow, this is how we bring back slaves. Holy shit. That's crazy. He's really doing that shit. But, you know, I understand the thought process behind it because he even said it. I was like, on the base level, gosh, that sounds great. Hopefully it doesn't go wrong. Don't get me wrong, I'm not some crazy Democrat out here. I'm independent as fuck. But also, I have a brain. I know how people are going to take advantage. They're going to take some serious advantage of that. It's going to be a little rough out here. You got your bearish 5-0? Wow, 1026. Hold on. We called for that shit long time ago. We called for 1108. We're doing it, baby! Yeah! Could see another 22% drop. That's it? I feel like it should be more. Alright, we got Tia next. Oh, hold on, you beautiful bastard. Whoa. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh my god. How high did you get? The 786. Y'all already know what I'm about to say. This thing's going into the abyss of hell. Holy crap. Let's check out your weekly. Maybe you're oversold. Well, I was hoping you were oversold. Oh my god, you have support down here. What? I didn't know it had support down here. Wow. I had no idea it had support down here, honestly. Oh my god, Maker. It's just giving it to me right now. Jeez. Could have bought me a soda at least. Fuck, bro. So's BNX. Why are we getting bullish at 9:21 at night? Oh boy. That's so ew. What is ew? What a gross chart. Bearish divergence. Triple bearish divergence. Hey, let's go. All right, we do have the triple bearish divergence. We're hitting a level of resistance. If you decide to wick above it, I would be looking for this 429.7 to play out. But right now, you are set up for some downside. So I'm gonna put you guys on to this beautiful trend Fibonacci. So this one, usually it's a lot easier for me to see it and be like, okay, where's this thing gonna go? I'm looking for that 1618 if it does start going down. So 1618, 2533. This is what I'd be looking for from the high to low. So for TIA, we could see it come down even further. Could see it clear out a lot of those lows, seeing a 34% drop to the downside. That would clear out this low right here, probably take out all the longs with it, and then start shooting to the upside after. That is my thought process when it comes to TIA. And that's solely because you were trying to use this, you once in the long ago used this as support. Now you are utilizing it as resistance. So just keep that in mind. You even tried to pop up above it before you got sold off. Now a confirmation of your lows could be coming. It could be coming. 34% downside is the target for this bad boy. It's a really nice setup though. I do really like this setup. I really like this setup. Especially with the triple bearish divergence on the 4 hour. That's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. Wow, you can couple it with... Never mind. No, you can't. Okay. But yeah, that looks good. It's really good for downside. Even though you're getting a golden cross, it just might take a long time to do it. But that daily, doing you no favors. Bearish backtest of the 50 simple. Your MACD, it's so bearish. Significantly lower prices, higher buying pressure. That's insane. That's actually insane. Even your CCI indicators getting in on that. They're like, nah, bro, we need to get up out of here. All right, Fubo TV Inc. Now that the Super Bowl's over, how you doing? Dying. That's how you're doing. You're dying. Fubo is losing a very, very important level. That 367 is very important because you have nothing in between. You could fill a gap. Let's be real. You could fill a gap because I'm pretty sure them getting bought out, the contract failed, so I don't think Disney's gonna buy them out. I think it was Disney that was trying to buy them. So yeah, Fubo, we could see it go anywhere between 233 or even as low as 158 once again. Kind of a shame. Kind of a shame. But this is how it works. Could just fill a gap. 35 to even 57% downside could be possible. All that they're going to get bought. Hype is gone. All the hype is gone. Where's the hype, man? Anyways. IOTX. IOTX. Well, you're in a range, that's for sure. You're in a very good area. If you have time, can we look at Super? Sure, Super. We can look at some Super for you. Super duper, yo. Looks like we're going for a formal backtest for IOTX. You broke out of it. You didn't backtest it. Guess what? You could be backtesting it. You also never backtested this level. 1103 could be coming. Not oversold on the weekly. You are oversold on the daily though. QNT, what's up, Eric? How you doing? QNT, got you covered. Is that triple bullish divergence on the daily? You have triple bullish divergence on the daily? Hold on. We might be in a new ballpark here. We might see a nice little move to the upside right here. Oh, wait a minute. Triple bullish divergence for IOTX? Who would have thought? I can't be nearly as bearish on this one. Can't be nearly as bearish on this one. So, you could see something like this. You could bounce around in here for a while, pop out, back test, and shoot up 39%. So maybe you put your bottom in. Maybe this is your bottom dollar at 1593. There is a argument for it. Now what you need to do is go up, make a higher high, set a higher low, or even the same low, and then a higher low. So just create that trend reversal. This one, IOTX, does have the beginnings of something nice. That's good. Hey, we're not all doom and gloom out here. Let's go, baby. The only good thing we've seen all night. Only good thing we've seen all night. BNX, why? Why? Stop it. Stop it, BNX. Stop it. Be more like Maker. Start falling. Come on, get some help. 4-hour time frame. Oh, 4 hours not looking fantastic, but it's not looking terrible either. Not looking terrible. So you could see this thing rally up to 1977. That is a possibility. That is a possibility. You could see a 9.4% rise out of this bad boy from where you're currently sitting. This looks pretty darn decent. Pretty gosh darn decent. It would be a formal test of your resistance. So that would be good. Sweet. If it gets really dark, really dim out here, you might see it come all the way down to 1103. Just it's still in play. Just understand that. But it does look better than the rest. This one stands out. Caspa. Oh, Caspa. Oh, Caspa. If Caspa can manage to hang on to 79843, that's ideal. Just hang on to it, buddy. Come on, man. Do it. But if it can't, I mean, you're already basically doing it. This is a bearish backtest of the formal support. You're basically doing it. So you're looking for like 5069 to 3852. These are really your levels that you're looking for. It's kind of a shame. Kind of a shame, but this is what you're looking for. You're looking for like 40 to possibly 54% downside for Caspa. But if it does get down to these levels, I will personally be loading the F up. Because my average cost is now, right now, like up in this range, somewhere up here. And I was like, I guess I'm going to be able to dollar cost average. But noted, I've not bought any more Kava since it dropped below 99409. I have not bought any. But if we do drop into this little spot right here, I'll start accumulating again. This is my accumulation range down here. Give me another 54%. Give me that discount. I'm all about the coupons. And yeah, we'll be okay down there. We'll be alright. And it would be a formal back test, so it makes sense. It makes all the sense in the world. And then if it goes down lower, I'm just going to cry in a pillow by myself in a dark room. Just how it is. Anyways, moving along. SPA. SPA's a crypto. Okay. SPA. Damn. I've never been here. Never been here. I will say you're losing a level right this moment. That's unfortunate. That is unfortunate because there is not really anything in between. That is unfortunate. You might catch a weird little bounce at this level here, but you're looking for a lot lower levels. Oh my. Yeah, SPA did a very bad thing with this. Let's see if you have a daily close below it. Ugh. Damn. That's not ideal. It's not ideal. Let's check your 4-hour. Damn. Okay. Well, this is damn. Damn. You couldn't get to the 50. Shit. You might be seeing 11.915. This is a possibility. 30% downside. And then, of course, you're going to be losing another level. So it could be continuing after that. Down to this 4544. Give it time. It's going down. It's going down. Your line in the sand that you do not want to drop below. This right here. 11016. You have hopium until you lose that level. And you got all this random stuff down here that could keep you propped up as well. So these are your levels on the way down where you could catch a bounce, but right now it's looking like you're about to go to that 11016. Are your charts and fibs in log scale or regular? It's in regular. I don't like using log scale. I really don't like using log. I know some people only chart in log scale, but it looks like such a discrepancy. I'm like, what the heck is this? I don't like it. Turb. Well, I can't see Turb, so whomever requested Turb, I'm sorry, I can't find it. So we're going to move along. We're going to move right along, right past it. ACH. ACH is set up for shorting. Metis? Crypto booming? I'm literally made a video of it the other day. Yeah, we'll check out some Metis. Let's see if I was right or wrong on my TA on the educational video from a few days back. It was an interesting little chart. So we made our bearish 5-0. We started selling off here. Your 4 hours running into a lot of turbulence with these moving averages, but this is a nice bounce to the upside. However, there's no bullish divergence, so this is just an oversold bounce, in my opinion. Always just an opinion. Calm down, relax. But with that being said, you did sell out pretty substantially, so this looks like you are now getting ready for your next leg down. The interesting part about it is based off this trading range here, you wicked up to the same trading range. I've been in since $16 and it ran to 150. Now I've almost round tripped fully. Oh no. I'm sorry to hear that. Turbo. Is it Turbo? Maybe. We can check out Turbo. That's fine. So you made a weird double top looking thing. This is interesting to me. This is very interesting. But you are in a downtrend technically. Wow. Or are you in an uptrend? This thing looks like it wants to go up. Go figure. You get a bullish and bearish case. Oh, wait. No, you don't. No, you don't. Oh, no. You haven't been that overbought since back here. You have hidden bearish divergence? Oh, that's unfortunate. That is unfortunate. That's not what you signed up for. Is this a 5-0? That's a 5-0. Oh, no. Oh, no. All right, if you do not break out of this, this thing could be going into the abyss. Could be looking at 1859 for ACH. This is your bearish case scenario right now. 41% downside. Your bullish case scenario is if this is a brand new little uptrend that you're in. Sure. If this is a brand new uptrend that you're in, You just made a bullish 5-0. This is why I said it was interesting. But you could be going up for resistance. Like it's lined up perfectly for resistance. So bullish case scenario, 22% upside. Bearish case, 41% downside. This one is very interesting. Considering you've been downtrending and now you're making higher lows, I'm leaning toward the 22% upside. Surprisingly. But if Bitcoin starts falling, 41%. See you later. Have a good day. I did a round tripped and on ACH as well. Still holding. Dang. You guys need to stop round tripping. Take profits. There are profit taking levels. Take profits. Always take profits. I remember when everything was going up like crazy and I was like, oh yeah, I sold off half. A lot of people were like, oh my god, why would you do that? We're in a bull run. I was like, it still pulls back. I'm taking profits. Well, we made the measured move finally. We did it. What are we doing now? That doesn't look good. That don't look good. That really doesn't look good. If it loses 362 by the end of tomorrow, we're effed. Are you talking about ACH? Which one are you talking about? Okay, seriously, Maker? What are we doing? Maker's being a jerk. That's what Maker's doing. It's being a jerk. It's trying to ruin my trade. B&X, one of the homies. What are we doing? Anyways, if it loses 362 by the end of tomorrow, we're at. Okay. Can we look at CLS? Sure. Sure thing. All right, SKL for the weekly, we are not in good shape here. Are we actually? This thing was regarded as support. That's insane. The first inception price was support. That is insane. All right, if we don't hold 2991, this could be bad for SKL. This could be really bad. Your daily, it already showed a sign that you bearishly backtested a level of, yeah, you fell through, bearish backtest, fell further. Now it looks like you're trying to do something. You have no bullish divergence to speak of. You are not oversold. So you could see more downside. It is a possibility to see more downside. Going into your 4-hour time frame. 4-hour. Do you have it? It's like a double bottom on the relative strength. So somebody's going to try and call this bullish divergence, maybe. Could be the next Filecoin. Really? CLS? Haven't heard of that. Bullish case scenario, I'm going to give this one, is possibly coming up 12% to that 886. 11.84%. Bullish case scenario. Bearish case, you could be coming all the way down to 2052. Sorry, went to the wrong person. Oh, I got you. You're cheating on me? You're cheating on me? Bullish case scenario right now, 11.84% upside, which I do believe it also lines up with your demand line right now. Ooh, you'd be a breaking out. Or bearish case scenario, you take it straight down, 2052. I think it's going to be a green day tomorrow. It very well could be. It very well could be. I might have to get out of my shorts tonight before bed because I'm not about this staying up all night nonsense anymore. I'm too old for that. Too old. But yeah, it could be because Nvidia was green, and I think futures started going green, and like all of crypto going green. This is like liquidity moving in because now they're like, oh hey, technology's still good, which I'm surprised Wall Street was acting so scared. I'm confused. I don't understand, but narratives, I guess. I don't know. All right, Kava. Kava's doing well, doing very well. Now, the thing I'm worried about is that stupid 886. That's what I'm worried about. If you can break above this 886 here, we're looking good. But this is an oversold bounce. You're just basically testing support. 4387, 85. We're going to see if it actually hits that and rolls over, or if you keep on running to the upside. If you keep running to the upside, yeah, Kava looks great. You could see this thing rally up insane amounts, going up to like 119 and stuff. Could be absolutely ridiculous. But we have to wait and see. We have to wait and see what the market makers want to do, because seems like right now they just like putting us through our paces. They're like, oh, will they keep holding through this? Let's send it lower. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. 4 hour relative strength. I do not like that, which means your 1 hour I'm going to hate. Yep, I hate the 1 hour. 1 hour is super deep into that bullish control zone, which is showing me we're probably going to make a nice little rollover, possible another test at anywhere between this 386 or 3758. Anywhere between that, likely to happen. Don't let it catch you off guard. But if we do hold support, great, awesome, love it, because we really don't want to see downside. Because we could see this thing go down all the way to your, let's go out to your daily so you can see this. We do have this level here that could act as support. It would be the third touchdown. But right now with Kava, you have weekly bullish divergence. You have daily bullish div, I think. Anyways, you got to break out of a downtrend. You got to back test formally. Everything looks good on Kava right now. We just need the market to realize it. Which I'm sure they realized it, but, you know, they're going to make you wait. They're going to make you struggle. Anyways, that's Kava. Doge is next. Dogecoin's about to find some support. This is good. This is good. We just got to hold it. If we can hold support at 18 cents, awesome. Love it. Otherwise, you have a lot more downside. I mean, it could be somewhere in this range down here at like 10 cents. Well, yeah. Not really too much to say about Doge, if I'm being honest. You're in no man's land and support's at 18 cents. Hopefully it holds. There's trying to double bottom in no man's land. It's a ballsy move. Ballsy move. So I guess bullish case scenario, maybe you get a nice little 50% retrace, getting back up to 24.11. Maybe you get that 886. So bullish case scenario, you see like a 16, maybe even a 33% move to the upside. These are possibilities. But I'm more in the camp of go down and touch some support at 18.03 and then make a higher low after that. Would be nice. What day is tomorrow? Thursday? 9 a.m. Wow, what's going on? Okay. Alrighty. So, we got Super next. Super. We got the 15% move to the downside. We hit support. We're trying to hold support. Super has the possibility. Has the opportunity. It honestly looks good. It looks just like Kava. It looks really good. Bullshit case scenario, maybe you go up and see 93 cents. Bearish case, you go down to 35.11. You're sitting right on top of support. Right on top of it. You also have a supply line to work off of. You've made a beautiful retracement. Like, you've done all the work. You're just sitting there waiting. What the fuck, Maker? What the fuck, bro? Why is Maker taking steroids? That's the question of the night. Why can't it be more like BNX? Why can't it do that? Why is Maker so strong? Unreal. But yeah, so Super, this looks really good. It does. So, Yeah. That's long and short of it right there. You could see the golden retrace getting up 178%. Even if you only get that 5-0, it's still 114% or 41%. You just need the bids. You need the buyers to step in and get some of this coin. So yeah, that's Super right now. Super looks great, but you still have the possibility of going down to 35 cents if Bitcoin dumps. It's just going to drag this thing down by its hair, and it's going to be like 100% retrace. Awesome, buy in. So we'll see what it does. We shall see. All right, QNT. QNT, beautiful pop up, nice little back test. QNT went crazy, dude. QNT actually went crazy. That's phenomenal. Checking out your daily time frame. That's a lot of retracement after touching that 100. Wow. Huh. No way. There's no way. No way, dude. No shot. You found an 886 and you're pulling back? Oh my god. There's no way. Oh. If you do not hold 99.7, you're not only going to see 84 cents again, or $84, you're probably going to see $76 once again. And then if you don't hold that, you got further downside. That is a shame. You hit an 886 and you got wrecked. But you are holding support very nicely. So I would still be looking for upside potential here. And technically speaking, you could see this thing rally on up somewhere in this range at 138 if the market is bullish. If it's as bullish as Maker, you could do anything. Unreal. So yeah, that's QNT. Bullish case scenario. You could be going the distance right now. Probably going to take a lot of time, but could see 36% upside. That is your bullish case scenario. I'm still thinking Bitcoin's going to pull back, so I don't know if the bullish case scenario will play out. Bearish case, 16 to 24% downside. All right, Metis. Beautiful. Bullish case scenario, you see yourself up 80% from when I recorded. However, oh boy, I put in this. We could see 77% downside. That's crazy. It does look like we're trying. Oh no, that daily's. Wow, that's crazy. The daily's not doing you literally any favors at all. You got that nice bearish 5-0. You could see yourself go all the way down to 626. Metis is in trouble. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hours trying its best, but you're losing all your moving averages right now. It's trying its best. Trying to hold on to some support from this trading range, making a higher low. If you can maintain that and you break back above 28.59, great. But this bearish back test right here, that is a problem. It was not only a bearish back test, it was bearish divergence and then sell off. So they were selling right before they touched it. So that's Metis right now. Bearish case scenario, could be going down low. And even if you break to the upside, you're still going to have to clear this trading range right here above $35. So even if you break up, it still could be bearish and you roll right over. So just keep that in mind. Until you bullishly backtest 28.59, stay bearish, my friends. Stay bearish. Maker, why? Maker is out here ruining me. This feels like OP all over again. OP wrecked me last night, and now Maker wants to wreck me tonight. Alright, checking out Turbo. Turbo's doing the bad thing I thought of. Doing the bad thing. Most bullish coin for tonight going to tomorrow. I'm thinking IOTX, IOTX. So Turbo, the longer you stay below 35197, the worse it is. You could be seeing 65% downside. So let's hope for some bullishness. Let's hope that it breaks above. Let's hope you get a back test, because you do have bullish divergence, like massive bullish divergence on the 4-hour. It should see a move to the upside based off the bullish divergence. People are buying Turbo. Dude, I used to trade OP. Is OP still good? It's a layer 2 for Ethereum. It's not that it's bad. It's just a part of the Ethereum ecosystem. So, it's Ethereum's fault. Until Ethereum's good again, it's just kind of useless. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing out of Turbo. On your bullish case, maybe you go up to 48183. Maybe it takes off like a rocket ship. Not sure. I just don't think it's really meme coin season. So you could see this thing bleed out over time. Another 65%. It is a possibility. You should not have lost this level at all. So get back above it sooner than later. But you didn't just lose it once. You lost it twice. Now you have the opportunity of bearishly backtesting it. It's not good. It's not a good look. Nothing in between. Could just see it flush down. Alright, CLS. Cold stack. Cold stack. Well, I hope you're bottoming out. I really do. Because that is like, oh no. Cold stack. There's not much you can do here because it's just red. It's just selling. There's no buying. There's no nothing. It's just selling. You're in price discovery to the downside. On your daily, no bullish divergence, just an oversold bounce. Can I check out CRV? CARV? Isn't that thing up like 50% or something? I don't know why you want me to check out a pump, but sure, we'll check it out. We'll check it out. Oh, man. So what you're hoping for is a break to the upside and then a bullish backtest. So right now, the hope, because you are in deep oversold area stuff, to get up minimum 17, 18, maybe even 40%, get a nice bearish backtest, and then hold support. That would be a nice thing. Bullish case scenario, 40% upside. Bearish case, you'll see how low it can go. You are at your all-time lows, but maybe, just maybe, you hold your inception price 1629. Maybe. We'll mark it out. There you go. So maybe you hold that, maybe you test it. I don't like that it's not showing bullish divergence. And you're also getting growing levels of buying pressure on your MACD. This is not a good look. Not a good look. With seller exhaustion comes opportunity. So hopefully the sellers are getting exhausted. All right, last one, CARV. You guys get to see the pump of the evening. Well, let's check it out right here. Up 63%. You're testing your 50 simple moving average. You could go up as high as 75.61. Hate to say it, that's kind of all I got for you on this one. You've pumped. You had bullish divergence. You had the bullish divergence, and you pumped. Not much else we can do here. You're at your 618. If I were in this one, I would be taking profits at 6777. So if this thing's going to keep juicing on up here, you might see another 18%, That 886, I would be taking my profits. All right. That's all the requests we got for the evening. I am going to get on out of here so I can get some rest. Maybe I'll look at some more charts. I don't know. But yeah. Appreciate each and every one of you for coming out in these troubling times in the market. Pimosa, Porky, did you get rich shorting everything? I don't know what you mean by getting rich. I have 2 children and I live in California. Bro, I'm just trying to pay for gas. Like, what? I missed it. Love you, Pimosa. Appreciate you stopping by. But yeah, I'm going to get on out of here. Hopefully you all have a great evening, great afternoon, great day, wherever you might be. And yeah, keep your stop losses tight. If become a part of the Discord, everybody. Become a part of the Discord. Drop a like on the stream if you haven't yet. Thank you so much, Loki. Thank you, DZ. I appreciate you. And yeah, other than that, hopefully you guys have a good one. I will see you all tomorrow because we are here every single day. But tomorrow is members and subscriber only night. Subscribers on Twitch, members on YouTube. Everybody can see the stream, but they're the only ones who can actually talk unless you decide to donate, which it's $5. You might just want to become a member. It's fine. Anyways, I will catch you guys later. Take it easy. Much love, everybody. Deuces. Keep those stop losses tight. Don't worry, more money. I'll look at the indicators. I will look at them.